Stop scrolling, because what you're about to see might be exactly what's happening to your skin right now. Those small pimples, that dullness, that uneven texture, it's not random. It's a warning, and most people ignore it until it's too late. Meet Emma. At first, it was just a few pimples on her face. Nothing serious, just small red spots. She thought, it's normal, it'll go away. So she ignored it. Days passed. The pimples grew. More appeared. Dark spots started forming. Her skin looked tired, lifeless. But still, she kept ignoring it. One day, she looked in the mirror, and for the first time, she didn't recognize herself. Her skin wasn't glowing anymore. It looked damaged, stressed, unhealthy. And that's when reality hit her. What if your skin is also trying to tell you something right now? Because pimples are not the problem. They are a signal that something inside isn't right. Emma finally decided to take action. Step 1, she stopped touching her face again and again, because every touch was making it worse. Step 2, she cleaned her skin properly. Not harsh, not aggressive, but gentle care. Then came the real change. She applied a detox mask. Slowly, impurities started coming out. Her skin began to breathe again. Days later, she added a simple skincare routine. Nothing expensive, nothing complicated, just consistency. Week by week, the redness reduced. Pimples started fading. Dark spots slowly disappeared. Her skin started healing. But here's the truth. It wasn't magic. It wasn't luck. It was awareness. And now, think about yourself. Are you ignoring your skin? Are you making the same mistake? Because every day you ignore it, it gets worse. Emma didn't stop there. She started hydrating more, drinking water, eating better, and most importantly, she stopped stressing over perfection, because perfect skin doesn't exist. Healthy skin does. After a few weeks, she looked in the mirror again. This time, she smiled. Her skin was glowing, fresh, confident, not because it was perfect, but because it was cared for. So next time, when you see a pimple, don't panic. Don't ignore it either. Understand it. Take care of it. Because your skin is not your enemy. It's your reflection. And remember, the difference between damaged skin and glowing skin is not products, it's habits. If you made it till here, your skin is about to change. Just don't ignore the signs. But the transformation wasn't over yet. Now came the most relaxing part. A gentle facial massage, slow movements, soft pressure, every touch helping her skin recover, improving blood flow, bringing back that natural glow. Her face, once filled with stress, now looked calm, almost like it was healing from the inside. And then the final step began: makeup. But this wasn't about hiding flaws. This was about revealing beauty. The brush moved smoothly, blending every detail perfectly. Dark spots slowly disappeared. Skin tone evened out. Her face started glowing, her eyes brighter, her expression softer. And then she opened her eyes. She looked at the mirror again, but this time everything was different. The girl she saw was confident, beautiful, and strong. A small smile appeared on her face, because after everything, she had finally found herself again. And maybe this isn't just her story. Maybe this is a reminder that no matter how broken things feel, with the right care, the right patience, and a little belief, everything can change. And just like that, everything changed. What once looked damaged, tired and completely out of control, is now clean, calm, and full of life again. But here's the truth. This transformation didn't happen overnight. It wasn't luck. It wasn't magic. It was care, patience, and making the right choices at the right time. Because most people, they wait too long. They ignore the small signs, the early warnings, thinking it's nothing. But your skin always tells a story. Every pimple, every dark spot, every irritation, it's trying to tell you something. The question is, are you listening or are you ignoring it, just like before? Because the difference between a small problem and a serious condition is time. The longer you wait, the worse it gets. But the moment you decide to take action, everything starts to change. And maybe that moment is right now. So if you made it this far, you're already one step ahead. You're paying attention, you're learning, and that means you're ready to do better. Now, I want to ask you something. What part of this transformation surprised you the most? Was it the cleaning process, the healing stage, or the final result? Let me know in the comments below, and also tell me, what should we explore next? More skin transformations? More satisfying cleaning? Or something even more shocking? Your ideas decide the next video. And if you enjoy this kind of content, make sure to subscribe because we're just getting started. There's a lot more coming. And trust me, you don't want to miss what's next. So stay tuned, stay curious, and most importantly, take care of yourself. Because sometimes the smallest changes create the biggest transformations.